More liberal insanity as a federal judge in Chicago just blocked one of President Trump's biggest immigration enforcement efforts, and it's raising alarms nationwide. Judge Jeffrey Cummings ordered more than 600 detainees released, calling their arrests unconstitutional. But here's a catch. Those arrests were made under Operation Midway Blitz, a fully legal federal mission targeting individuals with final deportation orders. This single ruling now threatens to unravel an operation credited with cutting crime and restoring order across Illinois. Critics say the court stepped far beyond its authority into open defiance of federal law, and supporters of the administration warn this could cripple ICE nationwide. And what happens next could reshape America's immigration system and redefine who really holds power. So tell me this, should one judge be allowed to block a president from enforcing the federal law? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Let's go ahead and get into it. So my name is Tom, I'm with the Daily Beltway, and I'm also a White House correspondent for the Next News Network. And guys, we're a growing channel, and every like, comment, share, and subscription helps us reach more viewers across this republic. We're going to get right to it. It's the news clip discussing the judge sweeping order, and it's just complete idiocy.
Affiliate WLS reports that a federal judge has ordered the release of hundreds of people arrested as part of the Trump administration's immigration crackdown in Illinois. This deals a major blow to federal efforts to detain and deport as many undocumented people as possible. CNN's Whitney Wild is following the latest from Chicago. Whitney, what more are you learning?
Well, Boris, what we can say is that this is, as you said, this is a major win for plaintiffs' attorneys, immigration rights attorneys, who are saying that these arrests by people who have no deportation orders, who have no criminal history, are simply illegal. The judge today is ordering the release.
She really just say that? She just said that. She just said that they have nothing else wrong with them except that they're illegal. CNN admitted that? Let me know in the comments. I'm pretty sure I caught that correctly.
Arrested. Plaintiffs' attorneys believe that up to 3,000 people have been arrested between June and October. And the district court judge who has listened to this case voiced quite a bit of skepticism that the majority of those people have any criminal record, have any reason to be remaining in U.S. custody. And so now he is ordering the continued review of people who are in custody and the release of those who are in custody. This more practically applies to all 3,000 people who have been arrested by ICE and the Customs and Border Patrol between June and October. Plaintiffs' attorneys believe that number is actually lower than the total number. So it does apply to all of those people, but most practically speaking, it applies to 615 people who are currently in custody all across the country. I spoke with the plaintiffs' attorneys after the judge issued their ruling, and they said of those 3,000, they believe 1,100 simply left voluntarily after they were placed in custody because they gave up on their.
God, she did not prepare well for that interview. So Judge Jeffrey Cummings' 45-page ruling demands